Education for all, a right, not a privilege. Education is something every child needs. It helps us build our future, figure out who we want to be, and understand the world where we're growing up in. But the sad truth is this. For a lot of Filipino kids, education feels more like a privilege than a right. And honestly, that's something we shouldn't ignore. People often say, may public school naman, libre naman edukasyon. But if that's true, then why do so many children still struggle just to study? Why do some kids have to walk for hours under the sun just to reach school? Why do parents still choose between sending their child to class or buying food for the day? For many families, especially those who barely earn enough, studying feels like something only the rich can afford. It shouldn't be like this. Education is not supposed to be for the lucky few. It's a right. Something every child deserves, no matter where they come from or how much their family has. Every child should be able to sit in a classroom that feels safe, be guided by teachers who inspire them, and learn without worrying if they can even afford a notebook or a uniform. Learning should lift children up, not make them feel small because they can't afford the basics. But when we look at the reality, it's painful. Many public schools are overcrowded, with not enough chairs, books, or teachers. Some students share one textbook for the entire class. Others don't have internet, gadgets, or even proper school shoes. Meanwhile, private school students have laptops, clean classrooms, and complete materials. The gap just keeps getting bigger, and the one thing that's supposed to unite us, education, ends up dividing us instead. Something needs to change. We need a system where no child gets left behind. That means better support for public school, more classrooms, better facilities, fair pay for teachers, and enough materials for every student. But this isn't only the government's job. We can help too. We can volunteer, donate all school supplies, tutor younger children, or simply encourage a friend who's losing motivation. Sometimes, a simple, kaya mo yan, can mean more than we realize. Education is not about grades or books. It's about hope. About giving children the chance to dream beyond their situation and believe they can change their future. And when we help even one child to stay in school, we're not just changing the child's life. We're helping change the future of our whole nation. So let's stand up for education for all, not as a privilege for a selected few, but as a right every Filipino child should have. Because when child learns, our entire country moves forward.